This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to chop off decimals in Excel. If you are dealing with large data sets in Excel, it is good practice to keep things simple where you can in order to streamline the process. It means simplifying the numbers, which will at some point involve modifying the small process so that calculations are simple and results are easier to understand. In this guide, we will see how you can modify the decimal process in your worksheet to make it less daunting. The Microsoft Excel int function is a function that is responsible for returning the integer portion of a number. It works by rounding down a decimal number to the nearest integer. Negative numbers become more negative. In fact, the int function only chops off decimals from positive numbers. Trunc or trunc removes the fractional part of the number. Int and trunc are different only when using negative numbers. The trunc function can keep any number of decimals. Simply use the second argument to specify how many decimals you want to keep. For example, I changed the second argument into 1 and you can see the result. Again, I change it into 3 and the answer can be seen. Also, you can round the number to the nearest major unit, such as thousands, hundreds, or tens. For this, click Increase Decimals or Decrease Decimals on the Home tab and in the Number group. To return just the decimal part of a number, use the following trunc formula. As you can see, just the decimal part of the number is remaining. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.